Hello traders, today we will take few trades. If you check here, I have opened a OTC pair. Okay, as of now I have gone with buyers. Why? First of all, if you check the previous area, the market is coming from a major area which is a support area, and if you notice the next level, which means the resistance, is in the top, which I have plotted two levels as a zone. From that area the sellers have been entering continuously. So up to that area we can go with buyers. And if you notice the market overall, it's an uptrend, and if you see maximum number of buyers, in between you have only retracements, not reversals. Okay, one or two candles we call it as a retracements. Try to remember this point. Okay, so there is a gap and the candle previous was strong, so easily I can go with buyers. So according to that only I have gone with buyers. Okay, what is the next candle? You all know the answer. Finally the market have been entered into a selling area where the sellers have been entered strong. So what do you expect? Yeah, you can go with a selling candle. Why? If you notice one thing, left side there is an area where every time the sellers have been continuously respecting that particular area, so obviously you can go with sellers. So without any doubt go with sellers in these kind of areas because it's a major level. Okay, so whenever you are trading in the market, try to plot the major levels first. Later you can target the minor levels because major levels make difference than minor ones. Okay, so that's why check the major levels and later you can take trades. If you really like our content, give us a like, which will motivate us to make more videos like this. Okay, see, finally we got win because the sellers have been entered. Okay, let me complete the candle. Yeah, we got win. Okay, what is the next candle? Yes, I will go with selling candle once again. Why? Because if you notice there is a gap in between the level. Market will fulfill the gap because it's a major level. You should understand this point. It should respect at least one or two. So the candle which was made by the sellers is a strong candle, not at all a weak candle. So it could make one more candle. So easily try to go with sellers. After that you can go with buyers because maybe the level will get reached, means you can go with buyers, otherwise you can expect one more selling candle. So try to understand these all points in the market. Okay, because the market is trying to go up to the next level, so that's why focus on the buyers only. But here we have a major level, so that's why only we are going with a selling candle. Okay, see, the sellers have been entered and finally the previous level has been touched successfully. So what is the next candle? You all know overall trend is in buying, and in between you got two retracements, and one more thing, you are in a momentum. So try to understand this point. You are in a momentum, so after momentum you can expect one candle at least as buyers. So in these kind of situations only I have taken the buying trade. Okay, whenever you are getting these kind of points, try to follow blindly because this will give you more accuracy according to the market. And one more thing, whenever if you get a momentum, try to follow it because most of the time momentum will make weak candles or strong candles, but the end it will continue directly with the following momentum only. So up to the red candle in the uptrend, try to go with momentum. That's it. See, here we got buyers. Now this candle, next candle, which means this candle 50-50, I will try to go with sellers because this is an area where the sellers have been entered. We'll see what will happen. If this candle is a buying candle, yeah, the market is trying to go to the next level. But if this candle is a red candle, maybe the market could take support in the form of resistance and it will go down again. So this candle you should wait. I have gone with sellers because there is a weakness, so that's why only, and it made a new low too. So even it is 50-50 chance only, I should mention this point before itself, because if sometimes the market easily may go up, sometimes it will come down. Okay, in these kind of situations try to wait on particular these candles. Okay, so I think no sellers have been interested. It's okay. We will, what is the rule ours? We should follow only buyers, right? So try to follow buyers. That's it. Okay, now what is the next candle? Yes, you can go with buyers blindly. Let me take the trade first. Here there is a left side. Anyways, we can go with buyers here. It's not a big deal. We got a sign. Okay. Okay, let me take trade first. Yes, I have gone with buyers. Because if you understand these kind of points only, you can understand the market. Because we are trading in a 1 minute time frame, we need just recent levels and minor levels also will be count. So that's why take the recent area, try to plot the levels, understand the zone. That's it. And later you can easily understand the market. If you think, sir, there is a major trend, these all things will there mean, yeah, do one thing. Wherever there is a major level, wherever there is a turning point, try to plot levels before itself. Then easily you can understand. Okay, here I got lost because of my entry point. Okay, but the prediction is correct. Okay, now again I will go with buyers with margin of safety this time. Okay, exact opening. It's okay. Because as I said, up to the next level, easily I can go with buyers only. So I will follow the buyers only. Because here what it seems, market has been breakout the previous level and it has been retested and the buyers are trying to continue to the next level. This is the scenario. Okay, try to understand these points. So whenever you are seeing these kind of opportunities, try to avoid or try to grab. Where should you avoid? You can get the point, because after momentum there will be a candle which where should you avoid the market. Where should you grab means when you are seeing in a momentum, you catch the candles easily with margin of safety, easily you can win. Okay, see, easily the buyers are getting entered. Okay, here if you notice, now I will go again with buyers. Why? Already it has been breakout, right? But if you notice in the momentum, there is a strong candles, continuously it is gaining strength and the candle has been showed a gap down. If you notice, my entry point is gap down area where the opening price of the candle, see. So these kind of mistakes don't do. Check the candle whenever you are trading. Okay, sometimes gaps will be there because it's an OTC, it has been clearly shown there is a gap. Okay, so that's why easily I have gone with buyers again. I think this is my last candle. I think you have understand the points where I have taken the opportunity of the trades. So try to check the market twice. If you get these kind of opportunities, don't leave, just go for the trades. Practice twice because you may get more clarity regarding these kind of things. Okay, so whenever you are trading, try to see. Finally we got win. Okay guys, have a nice day. Thank you, take care.